This is a family one-pot meal. I'm thinking of Sunday Easter lunch already. You know what it is when it's chicken thighs for me, removing skin and bones. I need the bones for today's recipe, chicken stock. I'm cutting chicken thighs into cubes about 1 inch thick. Chicken bones for stock. I'm removing the shrimp's waste. Sometimes it's very challenging for me. There it is, if you can see it. Let's do the rest of the ingredients for today's recipe. This is bell pepper. Remove the seeds and stalks. Tomatoes. I cut tomatoes, peppers, and onion into big chunks. Let's transfer it to food processor. Olive oil. Oil is hot already. Let's put the chicken. Chicken is already seasoned with salt and pepper and ground cardamom. You can turn the chicken off after a few minutes. Let's add the pepper, tomatoes, and onions. Add the barley. This is my homemade chicken stock. Let it boil and then cover it and lower the heat. And this will cook, barley cooks about 30 minutes. You can peel shrimps first before you add it to barley, but just make sure add it at the very last minute. Don't cover it anymore after you add the shrimps. Delicious. Barley, you can serve it cold and hot, so meaning you can prepare this way in advance.